So, you're getting ready for your ACCA computer-based exam. You're logging into the practice platform, grinding through past papers, and putting in the hours. But what if I told you that despite all that effort, you're probably using it wrong? What if there was an overlooked feature, a specific method that could completely change how you prepare and add easy marks to your final score? So many students aren't failing because they don't know the material, but because of inefficient practice. They spend hours answering questions but never really learn how to answer them in the way the examiner wants. They see a final score but have no idea where they went wrong or, more importantly, why. This is a huge source of frustration and a massive waste of your valuable study time. You end up making the same mistakes over and over, feeling stuck, and watching your confidence disappear as the exam date gets closer. It can feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, practicing all the time but never getting any closer to a pass. A vast majority of ACCA students are using the practice platform, but they're not getting the most out of it. They're practicing for hours but still leaving easy marks on the table because they're missing one of its most powerful features. The platform is more than just a place to do mock exams. It is an exam support tool designed to help you get question practice by setting, assigning, and marking exam content. Section 1. The wrong way versus the right way. Let's be honest about how most of us use the ACCA practice platform. You log in through your MyACCA account, find a past paper, and launch the exam. You work through the questions, battling the interface and the pressure of the clock. You use the scratchpad, you wrestle with the spreadsheet, and you do your best to get everything down before the timer hits 0. Then, you finish the exam, get a percentage score, and you close the window. Maybe you feel good about it, maybe you feel bad. But what did you actually learn? This is the critical mistake. Simply completing a paper and seeing a score is what you might call passive learning. You've tested what you know, but you haven't improved your technique. You haven't learned how to structure your answers for professional marks, how to manage multiple windows effectively, or how to give the examiner exactly what they're looking for. You're leaving a ton of valuable information untouched. The right way, the method that top-performing students and tutors know, is to treat the practice platform not as an exam simulator, but as a debriefing tool. The real work begins after you've answered that last question. The platform contains ACCA specimen and past exam content, and crucially, it gives you the ability to self-mark your answers using official marking guides and sample answers. This is where you stop being just a frantic exam taker and start thinking like an examiner. It's the difference between blindly practicing and strategically training. This is how you spot your weaknesses, refine your technique, and build real, lasting confidence. Section 2. The step-by-step guide to unlocking the marking guide. So, where is this powerful function, and how do you use it? It's called the mark, or self-mark, function, and it's your gateway to the examiner's mindset. Let's walk through the exact process. First, you need to log into the practice platform through the main ACCA website using your MyACCA login. It's worth remembering that ACCA sometimes updates its platform, so it's always best to use the official site rather than an old bookmark, just in case the look or URL has changed. Next, you find and assign an exam to yourself. You can browse the catalog of official ACCA content, which has everything from specimen papers to past exams. Let's say you're prepping for audit and assurance. You find the exam and assign it to yourself. Now for the familiar part. You launch the exam and do your best to complete it under timed conditions to get used to the real exam pressure. Use the on-screen tools like the word processor, spreadsheet, and scratchpad. When you're done, or when time runs out, hit End Exam. A pop-up will ask if you're sure. Click Yes. So many students stop here, thinking the job is done. But this is where the real work actually begins. After you exit, you'll land back on your main dashboard. You should see a few tabs at the top of the screen. Instead of browsing for a new paper, click on the tab that says Mark. This is the crucial, often missed step. In this Mark area, you'll see a list of the exams you've completed that are ready for you to self-mark. Find the exam you just finished and click the Self-Mark button. This launches a new interface, and this screen is the key to everything. Typically, you will see a few panels. One panel will contain your own answer that you just typed out. Another will show the rubric, which details the marks available for each part of the question. And most importantly, you'll find the official ACCA marking guidelines and Sample answer, on the left. You might need to click a link that says, "Click here to see the sample answer," to get the full side-by-side view. Now you have the official, perfect answer right next to your own attempt. This comparison is one of the most powerful study tools you have. For objective test questions, the solutions might appear directly, but for those long, constructed response questions, this side-by-side view is where you'll strike gold. You can even add your own notes and comments to your script as you review it, creating a personalized feedback log. Section 3. How to turn the model answer into your secret weapon. Just looking at the model answer isn't enough. You need to analyze it like an examiner would. Here's how to turn this feature into your most powerful study weapon. First, compare the structure, not just the content. Look at how the sample answer is organized. Notice the use of headings, subheadings, and short, clear paragraphs. See the professional tone? For many of the applied skills and especially the strategic professional exams, marks are awarded for presentation and clarity. The model answer shows you exactly what a high-scoring answer looks like. It's not just about listing facts, it's about presenting a logical argument. Ask yourself, does my answer flow this well? Is it this easy to read? That insight alone can help you pick up vital professional skills marks. Second, use the marking guide to understand exactly what earns points. Toggle from the sample answer to the marking guidelines. This document is the examiner's Bible. It breaks down precisely where marks are awarded for specific technical knowledge, for application to the scenario, for calculations, and for evaluative comments. This is how you learn that just dropping a keyword isn't enough. You need to explain the point in enough depth. The marking guide reveals the difference between a pass and a fail, often showing that 2 well-developed points are worth more than 5 superficial ones. Finally, use all of this to perfect your exam technique. Model answers teach you how to be concise, how to prioritize the most important points, and how to use information from the exam exhibits effectively. Actively self-marking your work lets you identify where you went wrong, build better exam techniques, and refine your overall strategy. This creates a powerful revision loop. You attempt a question, you mark it against the official guide, you note your mistakes, you revise that topic, and then you try a similar question later. This is one of the most effective ways to improve your performance and build the confidence you need to walk into that exam hall ready to pass. Stop leaving marks on the table. Start using the practice platform the way it was truly intended. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a fellow ACCA student who needs this, and subscribe for more tips to help you ace your exams. And please, drop a comment below with any questions you have about the platform or your own study techniques. I read every single one. Now go unlock those marking guides, and all the very best with your studies.